Okay, the second example that you will see is like this with the division sign in the middle. So again, it's important to know that division is the same thing as a fraction. When it's not under the division sign, this number is your numerator. The division sign is the same thing as your fraction sign. All it's missing are the two dots. And then your 67 goes underneath. So this is your numerator. Dividend. These are the numbers that will go inside. So I'm going to rewrite it and put on the inside, and your 67 goes here. So that's the first step, to recognize that long division is the same as fraction. The second step is to look and see if there are any decimals in our divisor. There are no decimals, so that means that we can proceed and write the multiples of 67. And remember, to find the multiples, all we have to do is keep adding 67. So 67 plus 67, 14, carry the 1, that's 13. The next multiple is 134. I'm going to add another 67. So I have 7 plus 4 is 11. 1, carry the 1, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, carry the 1, so that's 201. I'm going to add another 67, and that's 8, 6, 268. And I'm going to stop there. I think that's good to start off. So we're going to look at the first number, 6. Do we see the number 6 in the 67 times table? No. So you put a 0 representing no. There's no number 6. Now we're looking for the number, the multiple that's closest to 69, and that is 67. So we're going to write 67 here. Divide. The next step is multiply. So what number times 67 gave us 67? That's 1. 1 times 67 is 67. Subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down. Remember to draw your arrows from your numbers, because if not, it'll be confusing. So now we have 29. Is there a multiple closest to 29 without going over 29? No. So we're going to put a 0, which means there are none. We're going to bring down our next 9. Now we have 299. So we have a multiple of 268. We're going to add 67 again. That gives us 15. That's 12, 13. So that's 335. So the multiple that's closest to 299 without going over is 268. So I'm going to write 268 here. What number times 67 gave us the 268? 67 times 1, 67 times 2, 67 times 3, 67 times 4. And I have to take my decimal, bring it straight up. Now I can subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 3. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. So we're going to bring our 8 here. So now we have 318. Which multiple is close to 318 without going over? Again, is 268. And what number times 67 gave us a 268? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So now we subtract, we get 0. I can't take 6 away from 1, so I borrow 1 from the 3. Put that 1 right in front of it, make that 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5. Now I subtracted, now I'm going to bring down. So I'm looking for a multiple that's closest to 504. That means I have to keep adding to find some more multiples. 67, 7, 8, 12, 2, carry the 1, it's 10, 0, 1. So that's 402. We're going to add 67 to it, which gives us 468. We're going to add 67 to it. That's 15. That's 3, carry the 1. That's 535. So the closest number to 504 without going over is 468.